how to hide taskbar on your Windows PC. Hi there, my name is Joseph, and today I'll show you a quick guide on how you can go on full screen by hiding this taskbar right here. So currently, if you're a kind of person that loves full screen, you love it when you're doing some activities on your system and you love full screen without the taskbar interfering. So here's what you need to do. If it's always active like this, you want to go on it and right click. Once you do that, you should see these two settings. That's taskbar manager and taskbar settings. So what you need to click on is the taskbar settings. So go ahead and click on it. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to scroll down to the extreme end and you're going to see taskbar behaviors. Under this taskbar behaviors, there are taskbar alignments, badging, automatically hide, and multiple display. So what we need is the automatically hide. So go ahead and click on it and you should see all the settings. So notice something. If we should say we toggle this on, since it's the only one that is not checked among the box right here, and guess what, we get a full screen. So if you want to toggle on and off the taskbar, that's you want to hide and unhide it, you just need to head over to this side and check it when you want to unhide it, and if you want to hide it, check it again and you get a full screen. So that's how you hide your taskbar. This is a Windows 11 running PC, and I think the settings should be the same if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 7. But in case you're having any issue, let me know in the comments. If this video was helpful, make sure you like it and don't forget to subscribe. It helps me a lot. Peace.